Hello students, today we are going to learn HR and ing tag in HTML. HR tag, it is the singular tag that is horizontal rule line. It display the horizontal line on your web page. We learn the different attributes of HR tag, that is color, width, size. Okay, so let's we start the practically how to insert the HR tag in our web page and to view the output of that HR tag. So how to start? The coding of a HTML program, that is open the notepad text editor, type the HTML code. This is the HTML block structure which include the four major sections. First one HTML, second one head. Within the head there is a title close, after head open the body tag and close the body tag. Within the body you insert the text whatever you want to display on your web page. Here is a title, I apply the title HR tag. Sample of HR tag. Okay, and in body section we apply here a horizontal rule line, close the HR tag, H1 tag, H1 that is the heading tag. Next, here we want to insert the HR tag. Apply the HR tag. HR tag is a singular tag, that is the empty tag. It doesn't require any closing tag. So when we enter the only this single tag, it will display the horizontal rule line in your web page. So first of all you have to save this file. I save my file computer d:" and HTML program. Type here file name, that is hr sample.html. .html is the extension to create your text editor text document into your web document. Save this file and open the file f:"HTML program and HR sample. Right click on this file, open with Google Chrome. If you have installed the multiple application, multiple web browser, then I suggested to you open your notepad file in a Google Chrome. HTML viewer, that is the Google Chrome. Okay, this is the output of this coding. It is the horizontal rule line, it is the heading tag, and this is the HR tag. Let's we apply the multiple attributes. How to define the attribute? In a tag there are multiple attributes. First one is a color is equal to double quote open, double quote close. We will pass the value of this attribute letter. Second one, width is equal to double quote open, double quote close, and size is equal to double quote open, double quote close. Here is a color. Here is a color, width and size. These are the attributes of a HR tag. Now pass the value for this attribute. Color is equal to BLUE, blue. We apply the standard colors, that is blue, red, yellow, pink, green, so and so. Next, width. Width can be displayed in a percentage. The width value should be in a percentage or in a pixel. I apply here in a percentage. Now check the output of these two attributes. Click on the refresh button or simple click on F5 button on your keyboard. This is the output of blue colored HR and 50% HR. Let's we start the size. Size is equal to 3. Save this file and check the output. Okay. This is the size, that is the boldness of your line. This is the example of a HR tag, horizontal rule line. Now we continue the same practical with the IMG tag, because both of these are the singular or the empty tag. So apply here the one image tag. Now we add the one image in our web page by a coding. IMG tag is the tag which used to insert image. Okay, see the next slide, that is IMG tag. IMG tag is an empty tag. Okay, and these are the attributes of IMG tag. SRC, second one height, width of image, and ALT, that is the alternative text. Okay, that will display on your image. When we move the pointer on that image, it will display the reference name. Okay, let's we start the example of a image tag or IMG tag. IMG. Before you start the IMG tag, you have to copy particular image in your folder. I minimize all these my files. Click on my computer. Then pictures, there are some examples or the sample pictures. I copy the penguins picture, Ctrl C. Go to our folder, that is the F:/HTML program, and paste here your file. Check the extension of your picture file, that is the JPEG. You have to insert the extension in our coding. Now I copy the text of this file, because avoiding spelling mistake. Now go to our coding. IMG first attribute is SRC is equal to double quote open, double quote close. Next attribute After src, give the width is equal to double quote open, double quote close. Next, height is equal to double quote open, double quote close, and border is equal to double quote open, double quote close. Now here I inserted all these attributes in a img tag. Img is a singular tag, so it doesn't require any closing tag, but in a HTML file you have to close this image tag in this same tag. Now you have to apply the values for the attribute. First of all, src, paste the file name of your image and give the JPG extension. Next, apply the width. First of all, save this file and we check the output, how it display. This is the output without height width attributes. Let's we give the attribute width is equal to 500. 500 it measure in a pixel, the unit is a pixel. Next, height also apply the 500. Check the output. Okay, this is the height and width attributes. We again $200. Okay, save and check output. Okay, next is a border. Apply the border 3. File, save and check the output. The picture display the border. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the attributes of img tag, and in a double quote we pass the value for that particular attribute of img tag. I hope you understand all this concept of HR and img tag, that is the singular tags in HTML. Okay, thank you.